Probably. Okay, what the hell is that?
Okay.
No, probably not.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Philly. Time for an update. I know I just posted a video, but that was like a collection video. It was more like it wasn't even like a whole day. It was like a whole week or something. But yeah, I'm doing good. Things are doing well. Sorry that I haven't been posting consistently. I've just been busy working on myself. A lot of working out and eating healthy and very strict. And you know, like kind of like some soul searching and stuff like that. So that's really what's my life has been consisting of lately. Yeah, but I guess we'll check out Value Village. I'm at Safeway right now getting some water, but we will check out Value Village and somewhere over there. We're going to drive over there and see what they have. A new update. I have lost 4 more pounds. So I'm like 275, which is awesome, I guess. I'm still eating. I'm doing a lot of meal replacements. Well, one meal I've been replacing with a protein shake and like a meal replacement shake, and the rest have been like smaller meals and snacks. So it's going really well. Anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that everything is fine. I'm good. Things are going great. A lot of like life searching, soul searching, working out, healthy eating kind of thing going on. So I've been really focusing a lot on myself and it's been working really well. Hey everybody, we are at Value Village. I know it's whatever. But yeah, I'm with Nancy Live TV. We're gonna go check it out inside and see what they have today. No sale going on today, just a regular day, just bored, so we're going out. So let's see. I see a Smurf. What is that?
Oh, it looks like vintage, right?
Oh wow. Illuminated Christmas Village. 10% It's from,
19.
doesn't say.
Bottom? No?
No.
Here, I'll open it. Well, it's light though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's plastic, right? Are they lights? Light mini, yeah, they're lights, but
And
yeah, I don't know.
oh, they have another Smurf one. It was originally $8.30.
Well, that was
Miniature lights. Interesting. Kind of like some nice pottery and stuff.
Vintage.
Yeah. I need a good cough right now. It's Starbucks.
I know it's dirty, but I could.
It's Starbucks?
Yeah.
That's cheap.
But isn't this? I guess it's different.
Muta. Oh, mutant.
It feels like it's not the same cap. Do you think? No.
It might. It looks like, you know, it is. I think it is.
Okay. Maybe there's some cracks on it. Am I just
Yeah,
blind?
check it. Check it. Those bags we've seen already before. you've seen all this before. Okay, let's look at the bags over here. Is that Dooney? No, it's Pony. Pony. I see a few things that are new. Fossil, $14.99. Cute. What vintage are you? But not $14.99 cute. What's this? Cartier? No. That is such a fake MK. Nice and glittery though. And you want 10 close enough. Burberry? No. Something collection, 20 bucks. Chanel? No. Barga? No. That's kind of cute. This is leather. Definitely leather. Definitely substantial. But it's very like flimsy leather. 20 bucks. With the shoulder strap. Pretty basic. I mean, it's cute, but I mean, it's really, really basic. Like, the hardware is nice and chunky though. 20 bucks. A little expensive. If it was 10, I'd get it, but not for 20. Not at all. What bag is this? This looks like it's Fossil. I'm gonna bet my life it's Fossil. Is it? And it's not. Uh-oh, I have no life now. I'm lifeless. Felt like Fossil. Paint. 30 bucks. No. And she has my bag. Fake Tory Burch. Oh, fake Louis. We had one of these at the Toronto meetup. Someone brought one of these and we were trying to identify if it was fake or real. This one's totally fake. 10 bucks. This is the Steven Sprouse collection from Louis Vuitton. Fake Avi. What's this? Claiborne. What the hell is this? Yep, this is leather. This is Jimmy. Bag of the day is the Longchamp. Let's see. Okay, let's go over to the totes and see if we find anything. Oh, that's cute. Victoria's Secret. Nope, no Longchamp over here. I have a lot of these pants. Look at PS2. $20.
Yeah. I take that one then.
You don't have to charge it up.
No.
Plug in there.
Well, this is the plug that goes to the wall. This one. No,
两块钱。But I'm not gonna
Lululemon, size 6.
size 6. And the tag is still
On.
intact. It's like never been used.
No.
Yeah. Maybe there's money in it.
Rich person.
Which person donated it? Nothing. Nothing. Like I was saying to my vlog, like
Oh, it has
after
a
the
hood too.
sale- After the sale, all the good stuff magically appears.
Appears.
Yeah, I think it's like their strategy.
Yeah.
They sell the old ones first, and then they put out the what is this? This is Lululemon. No, it's Joe Fresh. It's nice.
Yeah. Does it fit?
Told you it's almost there. Size 6.
Size 6. It's a small. At least my body isn't so.
Buy it for your inspiration.
Yeah, I should. Lululemon. She's getting those 2 things.
Yeah. Right.
Juicy Couture and her Starbucks mug. I didn't find anything today.
Okay, they use a coupon. Why not?
Oh, and she has a coupon.
Are you
Rob, I didn't
a
fill
card
this
member?
out. Yes. And I didn't find anything, but we will.
Me too.
you too?
Me too. Huh?
Virtual.
So,
Like their
I mean, it's
spin class.
yeah.
It's just virtual.
But if you join Fit for Less, let me know and I'll join. We go together. It's only like $5 every 2 weeks.
Yeah. It's $9.95, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, need some more there.
$30.
Yeah, it's still for vintage.
$30 for a Tonka truck. Let's go look at the purses. There's 2 bags in here. Is that a fake Balenciaga? And then a fake Michael Kors. Timberlands. They have a fake Balenciaga bag in there. I'm assuming it's fake. Tommy Hilfiger. When will I get a jackpot? This Guess bag has been here forever. Still have the Matt and Nat here. Thought that was Dooney for a second. Matt and Nat still here. Okay. Steve Madden. Tanjay. I just thought this bag was really cute for some reason. That was a cute bag. Let's go on the other side. No, that's pleather. Thought that might be Coach. That's kind of cute. Aldo. Yep. Oh, this is Gagne for $8. Possibly. Imposible. What is that? Bali? That's not real Bali. Fake Bali. I think I'm gonna pass on this. It's Gagne, but like all that cracking. Pass. Which one's Burberry?
The $19.99. It's a prescription glass though. Glasses. That's $20 and then I have to change the lens. Well, still,
What's a $39.99 one?
it's a Ray-Ban.
So Ray-Ban,
Ray-Ban, Burberry,
Burberry.
and the rest have no
miscellaneous.
idea. Maybe this one is no.
They have an iPod. Oh, they have all these. Oh my god, that's like my first cell phone.
Oh, that one? No, I started with that Nokia over there, that $14.99. Oh, exactly the same actually.
I had that after.
You have that after. Okay.
Oh my god,
That's
that
my
is
first
so
cell
funny. So funny.
What is this? Directory illustration. What is that?
I want to look at the fake Balenciaga.
Oh, that one? Are you sure it's fake?
Yeah, I mean they don't wrap it like that on the handles.
Exactly.
Or they might. Hi.
Hello. You see this Burberry
These are cute. What is
probably.
that sound?
Okay, what the hell
What
is
is that
that?
sound? Okay.
No, probably not.
Try it on.
No.
Oh no.
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 It's a no. It's probably not. No.
Can I see the Ray-Ban? That one, yeah. These are cute. Yeah, the new. I thought it's big. Yay or nay?
Yeah, it's okay.
40 bucks.
Those are 100 plus. Okay, maybe I should go home now. Is she like having a heart attack or something?
I don't know.
Is she giving birth or something? Is she giving birth or something?
I don't think it's birth. I think it's before pre-birth.
Is that in the fitting room or what? It looks like
I like it, but I don't know.
$40. I don't know. I'm cheap, so.
Think about it. And can you see the bleepers? I have so many sunglasses I don't even know.
I don't even wear them.
I know, 'cause I can't. Thank you.
Ano yun? Parang naka-record lang sa phone.
Oh, okay.
So it's not real. Parang nasa mga boots. Pero hindi ko makita kung nasa. Kasi natakot ako. Nakita ko. Wala. Eh, nasa yun? Parang siyang ano lang, speaker lang. Tapos piniplay. Pag sino yun? Hindi sa kitty room?
Thank you.
Maybe it's like a speaker box.
Okay, by the sex noises.
Yeah, we don't even get
Let's go investigate. Investigate. They have a few mat nats here. This is a mat nat. They have.
so over that. Nobody wants it anymore. Unless it's like those backpacks.
Hey, look at this Columbia backpack.
What is it?
I guess it's like a sports backpack.
It's like one of those 10.
25 bucks is not bad.
Still fresh.
HRH collection. Eat your heart out.
HRH in the thrift store. Does she even make this anymore? Can I say, why are you guys selling it separately?